And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
Why is the smoke so dense? Where's it coming from? First things first, there's the low. You see it spinning here. It's raining where the fires are. What happens when you put wet grass on a fire? Very smoky. We had a campfire with the kids, and my son was putting wet grass clippings on the fire, and it was so smoky. I said, you got to put dry material on that fire. We're raining on the fire. There's so much smoke here, and the flow around the low, it's pulling the smoke into our area, and it's close enough that it's mixing down to the surface. The good news is things are going to change. The heat dome in Texas, where it is brutal, will expand northward, but it won't expand far enough to the north to bring us, say, 100 degrees. What it will do, though, is right on the edge of that heat wave, it will bring storms, because these storm clusters flare up on the edge of the heat wave. We already see that occurring off to our west and northwest. So these flare up and they ride down the edge of the heat wave. So Thursday, Friday, it may be 104 in southern Illinois, while we will have storms and be around 90, 91 degrees in our area, and it'll be muggy. And with the south wind, we push the smoke out of here, but still pretty smoky tomorrow. It'll get better as the day goes on. A lot of smoke. Not a good time to jog or go for your morning run tomorrow because of the really bad air quality in the morning. Even though it's going to be comfortably cool at 53, it's an 84-degree high tomorrow. 82 to 86 should do it viewing area wide. It will not be humid tomorrow, though. It'll feel pretty good. Now, the humidity comes in tomorrow night, and here we go. We've got the severe weather risk starting to creep in on a scale of 1 to 5. It's a 1, marginal risk in the dark green. Isolated severe storm as possible. Again, the threat would be hail for the most part, up to 1 inch in diameter. Then we get a break, and then Thursday afternoon, evening, between 5 p.m. and 1 a.m., Thursday evening, Thursday night, if you will. It's a wind, hail, and isolated tornado threat, and some pretty big downpours with some localized kind of urban flooding here and there. It's a slight risk right now, or a 2 out of 5 on the scale, means scattered severe, but I think we could be upgraded. I think the Storm Prediction Center may upgrade us to a 3 in the next update that occurs after midnight tonight. And there is Thursday. Again, some scattered storms in the morning, isolated severe hail. Then it's hot and muggy. 91 for the high, and then the storms 5 p.m. right through 1 a.m. with the wind, hail, and isolated tornado risk. There you see the highs 87 to 93, and the heat index mid-90s to near 100. So tonight, the smoke, the patchy fog. There are the partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, watch the clock. This is tomorrow evening, 7:30. Now by 3 o'clock in the morning tomorrow night, look at the storms. Isolated severe risk, 5:30 in the morning, then a break, and then look what happens Thursday, late afternoon, evening, and into Thursday night. Look at these storms forming, and these are going to pass through the area. All right, so 84 is normal. Still pretty high even into Friday. Watch for some more severe weather later Friday. Some severe weather risk even on Saturday with 87, 85 Sunday, 85 on Monday, 84 on Tuesday, and then more storms even next week. And I'll tell you, with all these rounds of storms, we are really going to put some dents in this drought. I think over the next 10 days, easily 2 to 4, if not more, inches of rainfall area wide.